Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to discuss the type 4 equations that involve terms of ax where a is greater than 0 and a is not equal to 1 are called exponential equation. In this equation we will discuss the exponential functions. So we are given a question from 1.1, so the solution will be 3 into 3 is not a point. 3 into 3 power 2x plus 1 minus 10 into 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here we will write 3 into 3 power 2x into 3 minus 10 to 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this 3 and this 3 multiply, which give us 9. So 9 into 3x, if we write 2 is a whole, so we get 3x into whole square minus 10 into 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here we will substitute, we will put y is equal to 3 into x, 3 power x, so we get 9 into y squares. If we substitute y here, so we get y square and minus 10 y. If we substitute y here, so we get a quadratic equation. First it was not a quadratic equation. If we do substitution, we get a quadratic equation. Now we will solve for y. So if we write 9y square minus 9y minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is just simply by factorization method. Here we can take 9y as a common, as a factor, so we get y minus 1. If we get minus 1 here, so we get 9 minus 1 is equal to 0. So y minus 1 into 9y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now by zero factor property we can write y minus 1 is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. If we add 1 both sides, so we can get y is equal to 1, and same as 9y minus 1 is equal to 0. If we add 1 both sides, we get 9y is equal to 1. If we divide both sides by 9, so we get y is equal to 1 over 9. Now we get y by zero factor property, we can write y minus 1 is equal to 0. So if we add 1 both sides, we get y is equal to 1, and 9y minus 1 is equal to 0. If we add 1 both sides, so we get 9y is equal to 1, and then if we divide both sides by 9, we get y is equal to 1 over 9. Now we will substitute, put the value of y, which is y is equal to 3x. So this will become y is equal to 1 will become 3x, 3 power x is equal to 1. So we can write 3x is 3 power 0. 3 into x is 3 power 0. 3 power x is equal to 3 power 0, because we know that any real number, any variable power 0 is equal to 1. So we get x is equal to 0, and if we put 3 power x here, so we get 3 power x is equal to 1 over 9. So 3 power x is equal to 1 over 9, so 3 power x is equal to 9 into minus 1, because if we bring this into numerator it become minus 9. 3 power minus 9 power minus 1, so we get this, and this we know that 9 is equal to 3 power 2, so we get 3 power 2, and if you multiply minus 1 inside, so we get 3 power minus 3, so we get x is equal to minus 2 from here, because the base is same, so we get x is equal to minus 2. So the solution set will be 0, minus 2. This is the solution set of the given equation, which is not a quadratic equation. First we change this equation into quadratic equation and y, then we solve for y, and then we substitute the value of y to get the original solution, to get the solutions of x. So this is the required solution.